Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best baby products on the market. Today, we're going to talk about a must-have for parents, especially when it comes to transitioning your little one from bottle to cup. This is the best Nuby Replacement Nipples for Sippy Cups, the NUK Replacement Silicone Spout for NUK Active and Learner Cups. If you're looking for a spill-proof solution that's gentle on your baby's gums and helps make the transition from bottle to cup as easy as possible, this replacement silicone spout is exactly what you need. This pack of 3 soft silicone spouts is designed to fit perfectly on all NUK Learner Cups, Active Cups, and even NUK bottles, making it incredibly versatile. The soft material is not only spill-proof, but it's also designed to be gentle on your baby's sensitive gums, giving you peace of mind while your baby learns how to drink from a spout. What makes these spouts stand out is their thoughtful design. The air vent system helps reduce the chances of your baby swallowing too much air, which is key when they're just starting to drink from a cup. Plus, the slow-flow spouts are great for infants, making sure they get the right amount of liquid without overwhelming them. The spouts are also incredibly soft, which makes them ideal for babies who are making the transition from bottles to cups. The fact that they're spill-proof is a game-changer. As any parent knows, spills are part of the deal, but with these NUK spouts, you can minimize the mess. Whether you're at home, on the go, or out at the park, this reliable design will keep you dry and your baby hydrated. And because they fit NUK bottles, Active Cups, and Learner Cups, you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. You can easily replace the spout without having to buy a whole new cup. Another great feature is how these spouts expand your baby's feeding options. As your baby grows, you can easily switch to a new cup and spout combination, all while keeping the same trusted NUK quality. Whether you're at the stage where you're introducing your baby to cups or you're looking for a dependable replacement for your existing NUK cups, these silicone spouts are designed to grow with your baby's needs. If you've been struggling with finding the right Sippy Cup spouts, or if you just need a reliable replacement, the NUK Replacement Silicone Spout is the answer. Not only does it provide excellent comfort for your baby, but it's also an essential addition to your baby's feeding routine. Plus, with a great price and fast shipping options, it's an easy choice for any parent looking to make their baby's feeding journey a little smoother. That's it for today's review on the best Nuby Replacement Nipples for Sippy Cups. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more baby product reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on a new product critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.